In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a wire transfer through your SoFi dashboard. To get started, open your browser and go to sofi.com, then sign in to your authenticated dashboard using your own account credentials. Before you move forward, make sure you're on the correct account and that your session is secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Once you're fully logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard load completely so all menu options appear correctly. From the main dashboard, look for the banking menu. This is where SoFi groups together the main banking related tools and account services. Click on banking and then open the more services layout. Depending on your screen size or whether you're on a desktop or laptop, this may appear as a drop-down, side panel, or expanded section. The important thing is to continue into the area that displays additional banking actions beyond the standard account overview. Inside that section, find the Administrative Options list and select Wire Transfer. This will take you to the Wire Transfer Setup screen, where you can enter the recipient's banking information. Move carefully here because wire transfers usually require exact details and may be difficult to reverse if anything is entered incorrectly. On the form, type in the recipient's accurate routing number, account number, and physical address. Make sure each piece of information matches the recipient's official banking records. It's a good idea to double check every number before continuing, since even a small typo can delay the transfer or send funds to the wrong destination. When entering the physical address, use the full and correct address associated with the recipient and review it once more for accuracy. After everything has been entered and verified, click Authorize to proceed. This confirms that you want to submit the wire transfer using the information you provided. In some cases, you may be prompted to complete an extra verification step. So stay on the page until you see confirmation that your request has gone through successfully. Once that's done, your wire transfer request has been submitted. If available, keep a record of the confirmation details for your own reference in case you need to track the transfer later. And that's it. That's how to send a wire transfer through your SoFi dashboard quickly, carefully, and correctly.